Dear Father, dear Mother, you loved me like no other. Your love has shown me the way. I've known your love each day. Dear Father, dear Mother, you loved me like no other. All through my life I could see the love you shared for me. A child could never ask for more. It's you I'm grateful for. Your love means more each day. So hear me now, I pray. Dear Father, dear Mother, you loved me like no other. When I was down, who was there and guided me with a prayer? Who always showed me that they cared. Every time, anywhere, it was you. Always you, so much.